Choose your words with care, for they build or destroy. They will strengthen or weaken, create sorrow or joy. Choose your words with care, they are the parent of thought. Respect their power, they will serve as they ought. Toboto, he's a great communicator. Toboto, an effective facilitator, always a collaborator, sometimes a reiterator, aware of the communicator tools. Tongue, body, and tone, that's Toboto. Everybody has a body, so everybody understands the language of the body, your face, posture, and hands. It speaks volumes without speech and always impacts the words. Project it well and be correctly heard. Toboto, he's a great communicator. Toboto, an effective facilitator, always a collaborator, sometimes a reiterator, aware of the communicator tools. Tongue, body, and tone, that's Toboto. Toboto is a chameleon, and we know he communicates with his tongue, body, and tone. He speaks in every way. What's the tone of voice in which your words are conveyed? It's not just what you speak, it's how you say what you say. If your message is to be correctly received to a great degree, it depends on tonality.